guys, today we're going to be doing hide and seek, and you are allowed to use the tractor, which he stole from me. He's going to be the hider, and I'm going to be the seeker. And no, you don't have to use it. You can use. Okay, I can use to catch up to you then, even though it's pretty fast. All right, so I'm going to go count. Wait, I left my other camera in there. This place has spider webs all over the place. All right, so I'm gonna go find him. And if you guys do, oh my Lord, happen to see him during the video on the tractor, not on the tractor, make sure you comment down below. So yeah, let's go. Oh yeah, by the way, I just made a second channel. It's about me and my friend, Everything Bagel 123. We have our I made a channel for me and him. We can both share videos with each other. So yeah. Oh my gosh, I have to tag you. So that thing's actually really cool. Why am I standing here? I have an idea. We'll go through here. I can't believe he was that dumb to hide. Wait, I'm gonna hide right here and then jump and get him. Let me see if you guys see him at all. I think I'm gonna jump in. I'm gonna jump in that poop. Made it into the tractor. Now all I have to do is just. Well, now the tractor happens to be property of me. Oof. He took the key. I really underestimated he would do that. I know how. Nope. He took the freaking key. Man, that kid's smart. Maybe he hid it somewhere. Like, see the key anywhere? I'm gonna kill that kid. I'm thinking we could set up a trap for him. I'm gonna set up an iPad recording, and when it automatically shuts off, it would all sync to my camera. So. Which you are not. And I can't believe you even took the key. Yeah, I underestimated it. You don't mind if I borrow the tractor, do you? Well, I did, but I still. Now I have this video which will sync to mine. And I can always just find you with the Find My app. And wait, why am I just standing here and talking and not getting him? I turned into the hunter. I just turned into the hider for a second. It looks like you slowed down. Why is it so hard to get him? I'm out of breath, so I can't even run. Maybe I could sneak into the back. No, I need to get his iPad. I know what to do. We finally got his iPad. Then on record for, I just restarted it, so we're gonna go take his iPad over to here, so then we can always just come back and check the footage to see where he is. So I think we're gonna place it about right, let's see here. Let's place it right here so he may not see it, so then it's easy to see when he's coming by. That's a pretty good idea, and that's what I'm gonna do. Right on that side. I can hear him. You'll see me. Maybe your iPad will catch it. Does he see it? Please don't see it. Buddy, I got so much stuff. Do you see that, bud? Alright, so he's going away. That's good, that's good. I don't think he noticed. And that's what we're gonna do. And then we're gonna sneak over here. Make sure, if you guys are enjoying the video, make sure you guys like and subscribe. And this video might be like an hour long. Who knows? Who really does know? But this might be a very long video. I see him. I think he might see me. I'm wearing black. And it's not going to be very hard to camouflage. Now let's just sneak behind here. I hate these flies. Can I go up and tag them, guys? You see it. Come back here! Oh my god, it's not even going for me! He did really leave candy back. This iPad is genius. It's actually a genius. He regretting his decisions. I just turned it into. Oh my god! Stop! From the other video, I'm gonna hide up here actually. No, wait. I'm gonna throw a chair at you. My next one. Come at me! It scares the living out of me. I wonder where he's going. I see him. I'm gonna go spy on him. Maybe he didn't see me. I don't know. So he can actually run me over. It's not, I mean, it is illegal, but who says you can't do it? I'm coming! And I don't know why I tried. You're too scared. Why is he going in his bed? Oh my god, he's a key. Rat. I'm gonna lay down low. gonna wait to get him. Let's hope I can find him. I'm gonna put you guys in the stand so you guys can. I tried. Bro, I can't even tag him because he has weapons on him. No, get the key. Oh, he's chasing me now. But I was the hunter. Oh, he's probably not coming for me. He's not coming for me. Alright, so camera's still here. I'm probably just gonna post the same video on this iPad. And same with this one. So yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna be doing. If you guys do enjoy the video, considering leaving a like, because these videos honestly are kind of hard to film. Maybe he doesn't have the key. Go sneak out and take the key. Where do you keep the key? Maybe he has it in his pocket. Maybe. I'm just gonna take him out. Tomorrow. Bro, what are you doing? Wait, I can just tag him. And you can hit.
I'm working on this, so.
What are you working on? For watching, and I didn't lose a challenge this time. And now I can drive off in the distance and make it dramatic. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go say to that camera over there that Sean has, I won, I really won. Let's go, guys. We finally did it, guys. We finally got him. Yeah, I'm talking to this camera now. Bye. Thanks for watching. Peace.